Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious green bean macaroni cheese. The full ingredients list will be in the description box below. I'll make a start by trimming my green beans and I'll cut them into 3 equal pieces. I'll take 1 red chili pepper, de-seed and slice that up. I'll keep a couple of seeds just for a bit of heat. In a heavy base saucepan, I'll melt the butter and add equal amounts of plain flour. I'll allow the flour to cook out under a low heat for a couple of minutes and keep stirring. Once the flour and butter are combined in small amounts, I'll whisk in the milk. I'll add the milk really slowly because I don't want any lumps. I've turned the heat up at this point and now I'll go in with the fresh chilies. Now that my sauce has thickened, I'll turn the heat right down and grate half a nutmeg. Now I'll whisk in to taste some grated parmesan. And now I'll add a generous amount of grated cheddar cheese. And to taste, a pinch of salt. And I've got myself a nice thick silky sauce. I'll set that to one side for now. I have my green beans cooking in some salted water and I'll let them cook till they still have a little crunch, and then I'll leave them to drain for a few minutes. And I've also got my macaroni cooking in salted water. I'll layer my drained macaroni into my oven-proof dish. I've already preheated my oven to 180 Celsius. And I'll stir in all of my creamy cheese sauce. I'll sprinkle the green beans over the top and I'll just sort of push the beans into the sauce a little. Then for some extra crunch and texture, I'll sprinkle on some pumpkin seeds. And top with grated cheddar cheese. I'll pop it in the oven for 15 minutes until golden brown and piping hot. And there it is, golden and crunchy after 15 minutes, green bean macaroni cheese. Delicious on its own or with a nice crispy salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Drop me a comment and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching. For more delicious recipes like this, please subscribe and share with anyone you think might enjoy this video. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.